After opening the box, there is a black foam, EVA, and also a plastic aligner. The aligner and the EVA will help you guide the installation of the tailgate onto your trucks. To use the aligner, first you want to put the black foam EVA inside the aligner, and you want to make sure the end of the black foam EVA aligns with the aligner first. The black foam part will go into the hole of your truck where the spare tire hole goes. And then you will align the tailgate next to the aligner. Inside the aligner, there is a stop line. This is how you will place onto your truck.